to everyone. My name is Anirudh Sachin Bajaj and I am your teacher in Bajaj classes. So today we are going to start the second chapter, Nationalism in India of History. So please subscribe, share, like and comment my channel if you didn't have done yet. So now we will start. Our first topic of this chapter is effects of First World War in India. Now there are 5 main effects of First World War. We will read about it. So you know about First World War. It is started at 1914 and ended in 1918. There are mainly two groups there who are fighting. First is Allies and second is Axis. In the Allies there were Germany, France, Russia and America. In Axis there were Germany, Italy, Turkey and Austria. So the winners are Allies. So at that time, first effect was huge increase in defense expenditure, which was financed by war loans and increasing taxes, custom duties were raised, and income tax introduced. Actually, at that time, India was a colony of Britain. Colony means that Britain was controlling India. We have to do everything that Britain wants. So, the first effect, it has affected that Britain was taking the money and other things which he wanted in the war by India. He had financed the money by war loans and increasing taxes. He had also increased a new type of tax which is called income tax, and he has raised custom duties. What is custom duties? Custom duties was custom duties was a type of tax which is implemented on the goods which are exported or imported across the international boundaries. Now, second effect was extreme hardship for the common people due to year prices increase. At that time, at that time of the war, everything in India was about his value. Means everything was expensive for the common people of India. That's why there is an extreme hardship for the people of India to buy those things. Now, third effect, widespread anger among people due to forced recruitment. What is forced recruitment? Forced recruitment means that Britain was taking India's people, India's villages, rural people, for in the army for fight, and that's why there is a widespread anger among people. Now, fourth effect was in 1918 to 1919 and 1920 to 1921. Crops failed, which result in acute shortage of food. There was a failure in 1918 to 1919 season and 1920 to 21 season in India. Therefore, there was a widespread anger among people that they are not allotted the equal amount of food among themselves. Now, fifth and the last reason was that accompanied by an influenza epidemic. At present time, our time, there was a epidemic called COVID-19, coronavirus, and it is spreading all over the world, disrupting the world. So at that time, at the war time, there was an epidemic called influenza epidemic, which is spreading at that time. It has, according to the census of 1921, it has perished about 2 to 3 million people in India. So and many were dead also. That's why these all are the effects of the First World War in India. And these all reasons had also led to the national development civil disobedience movement. We will talk about them later. So these all are the effects of First World War in India. So this is my first lecture at nationalism in India. So guys, I am putting my best efforts in making these videos. So please like, share, comment and share these videos. Thank you.